What's up, YouTube? 2015 Volvo XC70 with a 3.2 liter straight six. I'm going to show you how to replace the spark plugs today. I'm mobile now. If y'all haven't noticed, I've done a couple videos so far. I was out for a while. I'm not in the shop no more. I'm on my own, outside in the heat, away from everybody. This is how I'm rolling now, so y'all get used to it. Anyways, let's do this. I'm going to take the cover off this. Pulls off. Nothing special, no bolts. Now I'm going to unplug these VVT solenoids. Release those few. And we'll see what we have to unplug on the way. Grab you an 8mm. That one's already loose. Wasn't misfiring. The coil's still seated. All these bolts are the same, so it doesn't matter where you put them. Okay, now we're going to try to pull all these out without even unplugging them. And that was a huge success. Okay, now grab Mr. 5/8 spark plug socket here. Rubber in my socket's gone. And if you're going to get on my channel and hate and tell me, oh, don't you take the spark plugs out with electric tools and blah, blah, blah. I've been doing this for 25 years. I'll do what I want because it works for me. So if you got all that hate, just get off my channel. Trolls. I'm going to show you a trick. I got a magnet here. And I'm going to show you another trick. If you don't have a magnet, stick your little coil down in there. Just like that. Pull them out that way. But I have a magnet. And it's quicker. Now this takes iridium plugs. Do not try to gap them. You will damage them. They come pre-gapped. And they have little special plastic, come here, let go, covers over them that I already took off. Already got that one. Did I get all of them? I guess I did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, I did. So, we're just going to let them gently slide down. Guiding them with my fingers. So, I'm saying, oh my God, you're going to bend the tip. No, I'm not. Again, I've been doing this 25 years. I know what I'm doing. Okay. Now we're going to start them all a couple turns. Couple few turns. Couple few turns. Leaf out of the way. Probably should have blew the engine off before I did this, but as long as I don't get nothing down in there. Alright, I'm going to run them down until they just stop. last but not least, okay. Now I'm going to grab my regular ratchet. Snug them down. Just till they stop. And start feeling a little tight, then a little quarter turn. Just like that. Start all my bolts, couple turns. Grab Mr. 8. Plug back in your solenoids so you hear them click. Make sure you plug them in the right one. Okay. Let's fire this bad boy up. Rev it a couple good times, everything's smooth. That's how you do it, y'all. Anyways, I hope y'all like this video. I'm burning up and sweating bad. Y'all have a good day. Please subscribe. Check like. Peace out.